Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on the NIU website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in niuhrs.niu.edu and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for the NIU page. Go ahead and click on the For Employees option and you will be taken into the login portal for HR. Go ahead and type in your user ID that you have been given while signing up to your account and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your My NIU account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the account and password help option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account or the HR account for My NIU. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.